So artificial intelligence, it's everywhere, isn't it? From our smartphones to our smart homes, AI has become an integral part of our daily lives. Like that one song you can't get out of your head, AI has burrowed its way into our lives. It's in our music playlists and even in the way we communicate with each other. It's promising us the moon, the stars, and maybe even a robot that can finally fold laundry correctly. Imagine a world where mundane chores are a thing of the past. But here's the big question. The multi-billion-dollar, possibly world-altering question we need to ask ourselves, preferably before it's too late. Are we truly prepared for the consequences of this technological leap? Are we on the verge of creating incredibly helpful digital assistants and perhaps even solving some of the world's most pressing problems? Or are we opening Pandora's box? Or, and this is a genuine concern, are we accidentally building a digital overlord that's really into cat videos and, I don't know, subtly influencing global elections? The implications are vast and sometimes unsettling. It's a thought, isn't it? A slightly terrifying, keep you up at night kind of thought. The kind that makes you question the direction in which humanity is heading. The dream of AI is undeniably exciting. It holds the promise of a future where technology enhances every aspect of our lives. It conjures up images straight out of the Jetsons. We imagine a world filled with flying cars, advanced transportation systems, and incredible technological marvels. We imagine flying cars zipping through cityscapes, robot maids attending to our every whim, and instant knowledge at our fingertips. A world where convenience is king. Who wouldn't want a personal chef that whips up gourmet meals without complaint, or a tutor that makes learning calculus feel like a walk in the park? The possibilities seem endless. The potential for innovation and convenience seems almost limitless. Every day, new advancements bring us closer to this futuristic vision. We're told AI will make our lives easier, more efficient, and perhaps even more fun. It's a tantalizing promise that's hard to resist. It's the promise of a brighter, technologically advanced future, and frankly, after the last few years, a bit of brightness wouldn't go amiss. The question remains, are we ready for it? Remember when artificial intelligence was just a cool, slightly menacing concept confined to blockbuster movies? You know, like HAL 9000 from 2001, A Space Odyssey, calmly refusing to open the pod bay doors, or those relentless Terminators with their unsettling Austrian accents. Well, surprise, AI has officially left the cinema and stepped into the real world. It's here. It's in your smartphone, predicting your next word. It's in your email, filtering out spam, mostly. It's probably even recommending your next terrible reality TV binge on your streaming service, silently judging your taste. It's less I'll be back and more I'm already here. Did you want to buy these shoes? Let's consider its impact on various industries because it's quite frankly staggering. In manufacturing, robots are assembling cars with incredible precision and speed. They work 24/7, don't ask for coffee breaks, and probably complain a lot less than their human counterparts, which is either efficient or slightly depressing, depending on your perspective. Okay, so we've established that AI can do some pretty cool and impressive stuff. It can sort your photos, drive a car sometimes, and even beat grandmasters at chess. Fantastic. But here's the kicker, the part where the triumphant background music screeches to a halt. What happens when this powerful technology goes wrong? Or perhaps more insidiously, what if it's not overtly wrong, but just a tiny bit off? This is precisely where the ethical alarm bells start ringing. It's pretty clear that a lot of people are a bit worried about all this AI business, and who can blame them? The rapid advancements in AI technology have left many feeling uneasy and uncertain about the future, and frankly, they have every right to be. The stakes are incredibly high, and the potential for things to go wrong is very real. The potential for misuse, for just plain old algorithmic screw-ups, is significant. Imagine a world where your smartphone suddenly starts making decisions for you without your consent. The good news, if you can call it that, is that people in positions of power are slowly starting to wake up and smell the algorithmic coffee. They're beginning to understand the gravity of the situation. Governments and international organizations are beginning to realize that letting AI run completely wild might not be the best strategy for a stable and equitable future. They are starting to take action. They're starting to think about rules, actual rules for robots. Imagine that. It's a complex task, but a necessary one. You've got initiatives like the European Union's AI Act, This is a significant step forward in regulating AI. This is ambitious stuff, make no mistake. Crafting these regulations is no small feat. They're trying to classify AI systems based on their potential risk. This involves a lot of careful consideration and planning. High-risk AI applications, like those used in critical infrastructure or law enforcement, would face stringent requirements and oversight. This is crucial for public safety. Lower-risk AI, like a spam filter for your email or a recommendation engine for socks, would have a bit more freedom. These systems are less likely to cause significant harm. Section 5. Human-centric AI. Because robots shouldn't be jerks, ideally. If we genuinely don't want artificial intelligence to morph into some kind of oppressive digital dictator, we urgently need a new approach to how we design and deploy it. This isn't just about avoiding the worst-case scenarios, it's about creating AI that genuinely enhances our lives. Enter the concept of human-centric AI. It sounds like a fancy, and it kind of is, but the core idea is surprisingly simple. AI should be built to serve and benefit humans. This means prioritizing human well-being and ensuring that technology is a positive force in our lives, not the other way around. Groundbreaking, I know. It's almost as if technology should be a tool for us, not our master. This approach requires a fundamental shift in how we think about and develop AI systems. This human-centric philosophy means putting people in all their messy at the very beginning and center of the AI development process. It's about understanding and valuing the unique perspectives. Who will this particular AI system affect? How will it impact their daily lives, their opportunity, their dignity? These are crucial questions that need to be addressed. Are we genuinely making things better for them, or are we just inadvertently creating new forms of digital exclusion and amplifying unfairness? The goal should always be to enhance human experiences and opportunities. It means actively involving diverse groups of people in designing, testing, and overseeing AI systems. This diversity ensures that the AI is more inclusive and fair. Not just a homogeneous room full of tech bros, however brilliant they might be. We need a variety of voices and experiences to create truly effective AI. Sorry, tech bros, but your perspective isn't the only one that matters. We need to embrace a broader, more inclusive approach to AI development. Section 6. AI for good. Not all robots want to steal your job. Some just want to help, maybe. Alright, enough of the doom and gloom for a moment. We've talked a lot about the potential pitfalls, the ethical nightmares, and the ways AI could go spectacularly wrong. It's important stuff, but it's not the whole story. Let's shift gears and talk about the good stuff. Because artificial intelligence isn't just a potential problem waiting to happen, it's also a potential solution. A really, really powerful one at that. If we can manage to steer it correctly, if we can embed our best values into its core, AI could actually help us tackle some of the most massive, daunting global headaches we face. Take healthcare, for instance. This is an area where AI is already showing incredible promise. Section 7. The big AI to-do list. What we all need to do, besides panic a little. So, artificial intelligence. As we've seen, it's a decidedly mixed bag. It holds tremendous potential for good, for progress, for solving problems we once thought unsolvable. But it also carries significant risks, the potential for misuse, for bias, for consequences we haven't even fully imagined yet. The crucial question now is, what on earth do we do about it? We certainly can't just stick our collective heads in the sand and hope that it all magically works out for the best. That's generally how you end up with sand in your ears and quite possibly a rogue AI running amok with the global thermostat. First and foremost, we need dialogue. Continuous, open and honest dialogue. And this isn't just a conversation for the scientists, the engineers and the policymakers, though their input is vital. Section 8. One last thing, because I can't resist making this longer. Look, let's be brutally honest for a moment. Artificial intelligence is coming. In fact, it's already here, quietly humming away in server farms, judging your taste in music, deciding if you're a good enough credit risk, and subtly nudging your online shopping habits. We can't put this particular genie back in the bottle. Or to use a more contemporary metaphor, we can't uninstall the algorithm from the global operating system. You get the idea? It's out there, it's evolving, and it's not going away. Pretending otherwise is just wishful thinking, and wishful thinking doesn't have a great track record when it comes to transformative technologies. The real challenge, and indeed the immense opportunity, lies in our ability to shape how AI develops and how it is integrated into our societies.